Let's make 2024 an amazing and healthy year together. Today we will discuss about top 3 belly fat burning hacks, revealing ancient Indian practices that are reshaping health trends globally. These aren't just ordinary hacks. They are powerful, scientifically based techniques for effective weight loss that are mesmerizing scientists and doctors worldwide. Namaste friends, I'm Dr. Sarita, a molecular medicine scientist from Germany. Welcome to my channel.
Hi folks, I am the co-host Buddy. Woof! Ready to sniff out some health secrets?
First, let's talk about fasting, an age-old Indian practice now making waves in scientific circles. A study from Massachusetts Institute of Technology showed that a 24 hours of fast boosts intestinal stem cells.
What are intestinal stem cells?
So buddy, intestinal stem cells are the heroes of the digestive system that are continuously regenerating to maintain a healthy gut. These cells typically renew itself every 5 days. However, as we age, the regenerative power of these cells decline.
So, like a superhero losing their power with age?
Indeed, buddy. However, there is a way around. The fascinating discovery from the MIT scientists showed that fasting for 24 hours acts like a reset button, rejuvenating these cells and boosting their activity regardless of age.
So, fasting is like a time machine for ourselves, giving them a superpower boost.
In a way, yes. When we fast, our intestinal stem cells undergo a metabolic switch. They start utilizing fatty acids instead of glucose. This switch rejuvenates the stem cells, enhancing the capacity to renew the gut lining effectively.
And how does this help with losing belly fat?
A revitalized gut means better digestion and better fat metabolism. Research indicates that fasting, such as a 36 hours fast, specifically targets belly fat reduction.
Now that's a fast way to help. Oh no! Fasting for 24 hours seems tough. Is there a more doable way?
Great question, buddy. That's where intermittent fasting, or let's put it as time-restricted feeding, comes into action. These methods involve shorter fasting periods, like fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window. It's more manageable for many people and it can be just as effective.
So, no need to fast for a whole day. That sounds more like my style. Also, can you please toss me a bone to chew up? I love a good snack during the science lessons, you know.
Come on, catch buddy. Here is a bone for your scientific snacking. Let's proceed now. Several studies like those reviewed in this Nature Medicine review have shown that mindful fasting techniques such as intermittent fasting is like a party for trillions of microorganisms residing in our gut. It's not just about when to eat, but also very important is what to eat. A diet focusing on gut-friendly foods like fibers and probiotics significantly promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria in our gut.
Oh well, understood. It's like a strategic eating.
Exactly. This strategic approach helps our gut microbiome flourish. These bacteria play a key role in how our body processes food, stores energy, and even how we metabolize fat, particularly around the abdomen. They are so powerful that they can also control our mood, emotions, and cravings.
So we're giving our belly buddies a break to fight belly fat. Smart move. Hey, if you're enjoying our scientific journey, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe, like, and share.
Let's move on to the third point. I still remember my childhood days when my mom wouldn't allow me even to touch food until unless I finished my morning routine. After morning routine and prayers, that's when it was breakfast time. During my childhood, I used to get annoyed, but now I realize that this practice aligns very well with our body's demands. Complementing this with Surya Namaskar is the best practice. I used to think that my mom was being unorthodox, but now I thank her for instilling such really good habits in. To understand this, let's dive into the melatonin cycle and its friendship with another very important hormone called the growth hormone. Melatonin is the hormone regulating sleep, and growth hormone is required for tissue repair and muscle growth. These two hormones work together during the night as we sleep. So at night, the melatonin levels are at the peak and it goes back to the normal level in the morning. At night, the melatonin levels peaks and it goes back down in the morning. So at night, when the melatonin levels are at peak, it helps us to go into deeper sleep. Now, the growth hormones come into action. This hormone plays a crucial role in muscle building and also fat metabolism. During deep sleep, our body repairs and rebuilds tissues, including muscle cells. This increases the basal metabolic rate and helps in fat redistribution and reduction. So this work friendship between melatonin and growth hormone is very important for maintaining proper metabolism in the body and also the body composition.
So while we're dreaming, our body turns into a repair workshop, is it?
Yes, buddy. Our meal time should match the melatonin cycle. So when the melatonin is high or is coming up, that's when we shouldn't eat anymore. So it's better not to have any food after 7 p.m. Eating when the melatonin levels are high can interfere with our body's metabolism and the body's natural repair process. In the morning, once we wake up, it takes almost 1 hour for the melatonin levels to go down. So by the time we finish our morning rituals, according to old Indian tradition, the melatonin levels are low. And this is the optimal time for having breakfast. So in 2024, let's not get carried away by the Western culture. No bed coffee, no more bed breakfast. Let's adore our Indian traditions.
Surya Namaskar.
Perfect, buddy. You are listening very attentively. You are becoming smarter and smarter every day. So, coming to Surya Namaskar, when you get some sunlight in the morning, it helps you to start making your sleep hormone melatonin earlier in the evening. This makes it easier for you to fall asleep at night.
Wow! So morning rituals aren't just about traditions. They're perfectly timed for our body's clock.
Exactly, buddy. And there is more. Practices like prayers have a positive impact on mental health. They reduce stress and bring a sense of calm, setting a positive tone for the day.
So it's like a morning tune-up for both our body and mind.
Thanks for joining. Stay tuned for more amazing insight into health and science on my channel. And please don't forget to check another interesting video on anti-aging.